YouTube announced that it will begin testing a new system that uses artificial intelligence to distinguish between adults and minors, not through the date of birth you entered, but through the types of videos you watch and your overall behavior on the platform. The system will initially operate on a small portion of YouTube users in the United States, and if the experiment is successful, it could be expanded on a larger scale. For more very important details, watch the video until the end. How does the system work? The AI will look at the videos you watch, their topics, categories, and even your viewing patterns. Therefore, the system will rely on actual behavior, not the entered data, and it will not depend on the date of birth, even if your account is set with a different birth date. If the system mistakenly identifies you as a minor, you can prove your age by a government-issued ID card, ID or passport, a credit card, a clear selfie. If you're logged in and the system confirms you are under 18 years old, these restrictions will be applied directly to your account. Ban on personalized ads based on your interests. Reduced recommendations for potentially inappropriate content. Break reminders. Additional privacy warnings. Adult content restriction. If you're not logged in, you can watch, but some content will be automatically blocked until you prove you are over 18. Why is YouTube doing this now? In the US, there has been significant legal pressure on websites to prevent minors from accessing inappropriate content. The U.S. Supreme Court approved a law in Texas requiring websites to verify age before showing pornographic content. Similar laws have started to appear in other states like Mississippi. The official goal: protect teenagers from harmful content. The unofficial goal, according to digital rights organizations: expand surveillance and data collection. And this is the dangerous point in the matter. Organizations such as the Electronic Frontier Foundation have warned that age verification through ID or selfie could open the door to collecting sensitive data. It could reduce user anonymity online. There's a possibility of misuse of data in the future. In conclusion, protect your data carefully if you do not want to upload an ID. Be aware that there will be content you cannot access. If a piece of content is important to you and you face restrictions by mistake, use the age verification method. Follow the news and updates, because this trial may expand or change at any time. This system balances teen protection with legal pressure, but there are significant privacy challenges. The user needs to be aware of the implications before deciding how to deal with it. See you in the next video.